Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI for online meetings in 2026. If you want clearer audio, less background noise, and more professional calls, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. If you haven't installed Krisp yet, download the desktop app, complete the installation, and log in using your account credentials. Next, launch Krisp AI and select your microphone and speakers. Make sure the correct audio devices are chosen before you join any meeting. Now enable noise cancellation for your microphone. If your version of Krisp supports speaker noise cancellation, turn that on as well to reduce unwanted sounds from other participants. Next, open your meeting platform, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another supported app. Go to the audio settings and select Krisp microphone as your input device. If you're using Krisp for audio output, choose Krisp speaker as well. Now join your online meeting and speak normally. Krisp AI will automatically reduce background noises like keyboard typing, fan sounds, traffic, and other distractions while keeping your voice clear. Before important meetings, make a quick test call to confirm your microphone, speakers, and Krisp settings are working correctly. Finally, leave Krisp AI running in the background during your meetings so noise cancellation stays active from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI for online meetings step by step. You can now enjoy clearer conversations and more professional audio quality. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.